Good morning, everyone. I am Xujie Zhu from Sun Yat-sen University. Today, I will present our work titled Pluggable Pooling with Contiguous Layers Distillation for Diffusion Transformer. Recent multimodal diffusion transformers have achieved impressive text-to image generation performance. However, these models usually contain billions of parameters, resulting in extremely high computational costs and memory consumption. Existing compression methods mainly focus on sampling acceleration or conventional pooling strategies. However, many of them lack flexibility, cannot generalize well to modern MMDIT architectures, and often require retraining for different pooling ratios. For the motivation, first, we study the redundancy patterns inside DITs. We observed that randomly removing several layers only causes limited performance degradations, which indicates significant redundancy in the network. More importantly, we found that removing contiguous layers performs better than removing non-contiguous layers. Another important issue is that traditional sequential distillation accumulates compression errors layer by layer, causing semantic misalignment between teacher and student models. Next, based on this observation, we propose PPCL, which consists of two stages. In the first stage, we perform depth-wise pooling. We first identify redundant layers intervals using lightweight linear probes together with CKA similarity analysis. The key idea is to measure whether consecutive layers can be approximately substituted without significantly changing the representation. After locating redundant intervals, we apply a non-sequential distillation strategy. Instead of feeding compressed student outputs into the next student layer, each student layer directly receives the corresponding teacher representations as inputs. In the second stage, we perform wise pooling. We further analyze redundancy inside the test streams and FFN modules. We observe that some test string representations across adjacent layers are highly similar, and many FFNs can be approximated by lightweight linear projectors. Therefore, we replace redundant test streams and FFNs with compact linear layers, which further reduce model size and computational costs while maintaining generation quality. We train and evaluate our methods on multiple diffusion transformers architectures, including flux and channel imaging. We compare our methods with several representative baselines, including tiny fusions, hierarchical plume, thanks to MOE, flux, light, and chroma 1. For evaluation, we use multiple public benchmarks, including DPG, GenEvo, 1IG bench, T2 icon bench, and long test bench. From channel image, we compress the original 20 billion model down to 10 billion parameters, achieving about 50% parameter reductions, nearly 2 times inference speedup, and around 33% GPU memory reduction. At the same time, the performance drop remains very small, only around 3% after fine-tuning. In addition, our approach consistently achieves better image quality, stronger semantic alignment, and more stable long text rendering.